Hey guys, this is a quick little video. I wanted to show off my new little Sony Trinitron. It's a Sony Trinitron PVM-9041QM that I bought. And this thing is pretty sweet. It's tiny. It's a little guy, but who cares? I mean, it's RGB, so I'm running Time Pilot right now. I'm looking at Time Pilot boards and I'm not recording anything on this repair on this because it's just basically a maintenance type deal. One of the ROMs was bad, so I reprogrammed a ROM, cleaned up some chip legs, and I'm just testing through. There wasn't really much to record, so this is all about just this little monitor that I got, which I'm really excited about. It's freaking cool. Now I don't have to use a real monitor for my repairs. I can use this guy. This has a speaker in it too, so I've got all the sounds coming out through this thing. So I will go ahead. I want to just show you using it. It's really cool. Yeah, this board had a graphics glitch, so I just had to erase and reprogram one of the ROMs. Super cool though. Well, that's it. That's just a little demo of my new little monitor I got over here. It's really super cool, I think. Give you a scale of how big it is. This is that oscilloscope that I use for vector stuff, and I got this guy on top of it. It's small. It's just a little guy. But it's really cool, I think. And I got a pretty good price on it too, on eBay. And it came from Israel. Shipped all the way from Israel and made it safely. Yeah. Really excited about it. But I just got this Time Pilot running right. And I thought I'd make a little, a little short 5-minute video or so. Kind of featuring this guy right here. Sony PVM. This is, my hand, a real reference of how big it is. This thing is not big. Probably a 7-inch screen, maybe. Something like that. But it's cool, I like it. All right. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you on the next one. I got some stuff coming up, so we'll have some new content soon. Thanks a lot.